we divide 687 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 8 and it is 18. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 7 and it is 37. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put jag. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get jag. So 687 divided by 5 is 137 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.